Negative po ako sa COVID, guys. Guys, good evening at kumusta na po kayong lahat? My God, na-miss ko kayo. Pasensya na kasi hindi ko po nagampanan yung aking daily vlog. It's because I've been very busy with my job, guys. You know na, studying tapos working at the same time, and then eto pa guys, nagbo-vlog, so parang hectic yung aking schedule. Although I was able to vlog everyday, pero kasi yung editing ko guys, nahihirapan po ako mag-edit sa video ko. Although madali lang naman, pero always po akong gahol sa oras kasi kailangan ko rin po na magpahinga at matulog. So ayun, siguro I think I'm gonna do instead of doing the everyday vlog, siguro guys every other day na lang, kasi kailangan ko ng time para mag-edit ng aking video. So tonight guys meron po tayo itatry na product. Ito po ay galing sa hospital namin kasi pinamibigay po ito following nung announcement ng government na dapat lahat ng frontliner staff dito sa UK ay magkakaroon po ng rapid staff testing kasi po right now ay tumataas po yung rate ng COVID po dito sa United Kingdom. So this one is provided by the government para sa mga NHS frontliner. Hindi ko po alam sa ibang company kasi kami meron po nito. Kung ikaw ay staff ng NHS, automatically makareceive ka po ng email na sinisend nila sa email mo sa job. Tapos, you're just going to follow the instruction guys kung paano siya kukunin. So, I think I did register my name, my birth date, my address, and of course, my email na ginagamit ko po sa, sa work ko. So, this one guys, you have to do the test twice a week. So, ako, kung kailan ko kinuha yung, kit ko, dun din po ako mag-start. So, today is Wednesday. So, nakamark po yan dyan kung kailan po ako mag-start, which is tonight. And then, followed by Saturday. Kasi, twice a week nyo po ito itatry. And then, this kit is good for 12 weeks. So, that is a total of, 3 months. So, si Michael is not a part of this one kasi hindi po siya staff ng NHS. And then, aside from that guys, after mo siyang matry is kailangan mo mag-login po sa binigay sa amin na website para i-report po kung ano yung result. So, ang laman po ng box natin guys ay meron tayong disposable sampling swab. Ayan, ilapag natin yan dyan. Then, we have here the instruction for use. SARS coronavirus -2 antigen rapid qualitative test instruction for use. But I think mas madali po na sundan yung nasa video. And then we have here the qualification certification. I don't know. And then this one are the tube guys. So dito natin siya gagawin. So oops, I'm not gonna open it yet kasi I need to wash my hands first guys. And then the next one is we have the solution. Ayan, yan yung solution na gagamitin po natin, or they call it extraction solution para mamaya po. So ilabas natin yan, but I need one. And then we have here the SARS coronavirus antigen test cartridge. Ayan siya guys, kung nakikita nyo yan. Ayan po siya. So, para sa test na to guys, we only need one cartridge and then one solution, saka yung ating one disposable sampling swab. But anyway, I need to wash my hands first, so I'll be back. Ang una po natin na gagawin guys ay ilabas po natin yung ating antigen test cartridge, tapos i-check po natin yung kanyang expiration date, which is this one is really good. Tapos kailangan po natin ng tube. Ayan, isang tube at saka isang cup po. Ayan, takip. Tapos ilagay po natin siya dito para tumayo siya, guys. Ayan. And then, ang sunod naman po na kailangan natin ay yung kanyang swab. Which is, kailangan lang natin ng isang swab, guys. Para sa test na to. And then, yung ating solution na gagamitin po natin. Ayan, isa lang. Ayan. Itabi natin yung iba kasi sayang siya. So, ang susunod natin na gagawin, guys, ay bubuksan lang po natin yung ating antigen test cartridge. Ayan siya. Dito, guys, once na nabuksan mo siya, kailangan nyo po siyang gamitin agad-agad. Kasi pag hindi nyo po siya gagamitin agad-agad, guys, ay, nako, magiging invalid po yung result ng ating rapid test. And then, the next one that we're going to do, guys, ay mag-pour lang po tayo ng 6 drop po ng ating extraction solution, which is this one, dito sa ating tube, which is this one. So, make sure po na 6 siya. Kasi pag kulang po, hindi po siya enough po para sa ating procedure na gagawin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 6 na ata yun. Kasi na-double ko ng pindot yung isa, guys. So, ayan siya. Ilagay lang natin dito. So, this one is our disposable sampling swab, guys. So, pag nag-open po dito, meron siyang arrow. Ayan. So, ito yung instruction na fill here. So, dyan po natin siya i-follow. Then, we have to make sure, guys, na hindi po natin natatouch yung dulo kasi sterilize po yan dyan. So, ayan siya. So guys, ito po yung itsura ng ating disposable sampling swab. So, ang gagawin po natin ay, according dito sa video, we just have to tilt our head and then ipasok po natin siya. Then make sure na we inserted the swab 1.5 centimeters po sa ating nostril. And then we have to like roll it over 10 times, guys. Dapat both sides. So, this is the part na I hate the most. So, my goodness. Tilt our head. Oh my God, I hate it. Oh. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our nose is really sensitive, guys, in that part. And then, ang gagawin lang po natin ay ito, yung ating tube saka yung ating sampling swab, guys, ay ilalagay lang natin siya dito. Then, make sure po na ipipress natin siya. Ayan. Make sure na lahat ng na lalagyan ng solution. So guys, ito na po yung ginagawa natin. Tinitilt lang natin siya hanggang sa makover lahat ng liquid yung ating sampling swab. And then, ilagay natin siya dito. Ayan. Tapos, i-cover natin siya. Make sure na saradong-sarado po siya, guys. And then, we're gonna do this one. It's like a pregnancy test. But this one is for COVID. So, dito po natin siya ilalagay. So, kung nag-positive siya, 2 guhit. Pag negative siya, it's either yung C. So, pag invalid siya, my God, hindi ako sure kung invalid, pero gagawin muna natin to. Then, yung result po niya, guys, lalabas po after 30 minutes. So, we need to do a timer. But this one, guys, ay, anong oras ngayon? It's 10:45. So, 10:15, 10:15 po natin siya isi-check. Kung nakikita nyo yan, oh, umaakit siya. So guys, kung nakikita nyo, pag meron siyang C-line, ang ibig daw sabihin niyan is control line siya. So that means that the test is valid po. Then yung T-line po is, it indicates the test is positive. So we're just going to wait for that kasi 30 minutes daw.
The test is positive.
So guys, after 30 minutes, ito na po yung result ng ating COVID test. Yung rapid test po natin. Teka lang kasi yung ating autofocus ay parang may mali. So, negative po ako sa COVID, guys. So, this one ay pwede na natin siyang itapon para siyang pregnancy test. Then, you know what? Hindi ko alam guys kung accurate to. Mas, I think accurate yung nasa hospital, yung PCR pa. Pero bahala na. Kasi ito yung inutos sa amin ng NHS, so dapat namin siyang sundin. So, paano pa yan? I need to say goodbye na kasi kami po ay matutulog na guys. Salamat!